craziest thing I've ever seen in all of my days as a trader has happened today. Halting of trades on Robinhood and TD Ameritrade. It's absolutely disgusting, and everyone involved in this should go to prison. I'm going to play you a clip by Dave Portnoy because he frames it perfectly. Watch.
Stolen, robbed, everyday people who have been investing with Robinhood and other E-Trade accounts and all this stuff by saying, hey, hedge funds are getting smoked. Billionaires are getting smoked. So we're no longer going to let you trade on certain stocks, GMC, AMC, NOC. We're just shutting it off. You can't buy those stocks anymore. You can only sell them. We are going to crash those stocks so all our hedge fund billionaire friends can get out and not get killed. It is one of the most remarkable, illegal, shocking robberies in the history, in plain sight. In plain sight. No closed door meetings, nothing behind. Just right in your face, putting a gun in your mouth and saying, give us all your money. That is what Robinhood, crooks, jail, the Citadel, Ken Griffin, jail, Steve Cohen, the Mets owner, jail, are doing.
Dave was spot on exactly what's happening on Wall Street. Hedge funds like Melvin Capital took massive losses, and they're pissed. They got their teeth kicked in by retail. Retail has officially beaten these hedge funds at their own game, and they hate it. There's a couple other clips. I'm going to include this other guy who suggests that all of us are just at home, sitting on our couch, receiving government checks and putting it in targeting rich people. Check it out.
The reason the market is doing what it's doing is people are sitting at home getting the checks from the government, okay? And this fair share is a bullshit concept. It's just a way of attacking wealthy people, and, I think it's inappropriate.
So old geezers like this are the ones that tend to be the most corrupt. They don't want to see us grow. They don't want to see us on the come up. They want to be the select few that control, manipulate the markets. Robinhood, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should get a class action lawsuit, and your company should be torn to the ground. For you to steal from retail investors is beneath our democracy. It's beneath anything I thought our system could do. This is corrupt. This is wrong. People, it's gone down 50, 60% because of Robinhood halting trading, as well as TD Ameritrade. You get service interruptions, which, to put it simply, manipulation. We see this in the crypto market, which is unregulated, which is kind of, that's the risk with crypto. But with Wall Street, it's regulated. Why is this happening? It makes no sense. None of this makes sense. Honestly, a bunch of Reddit users banded together and teamed up on these hedge funds. They were recognizing short positions in certain stocks like GME and BlackBerry and Naked. And they're realizing that if we can short squeeze these hedge funds, the price will absolutely explode. The guy on Reddit, which I won't mention by name, is an absolute legend for this, and he called it months ago. He started a position back in April. 50,000 shares is what he had opened. My man's in 75 plus million profit. Good for you. Good for you. And anyone else who got in on this GME stock and opened a couple options contracts and rode this wave up to $300-400, congratulations. Seriously, you guys deserve it. We gotta do it a different way. We gotta make money somehow, and that's how the system is designed. This is fair play. All of it's fair play. Every single one of you are in fair play. Do not let them tell you differently. They do the exact same thing, but they only care when you do because you're making money, and that's what they don't want. Most of what they tell you is bullshit. Most of it's complete crap. Things need to change, I think the coming years are going to be huge. This crypto market, stocks, NASDAQ, S&P is going to explode because now people are being educated on how to do this. We have the internet, we have YouTube. We've been locked up. Nothing else to do but trade, and that's what we love the most. So check in on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. All love. See you later.